Hi, I am Malvi Tejaswi. I am studying in Senior Shiksha. Here is a model to show uses of water are: we use water to drink, to brush our teeth. We use water to wash the clothes. We use water to wash the dishes. We use water to cooking. We use water to farming. We use water in factories. We use water in construction and industries. Plants use water to grow. All animals and birds use water to alive. Aquatic animals use water to their life. So please save water. Thank you.